The sad demise of Lata Mangeshkar has left the entire nation mourning. The veteran singer, also called as the Nightingale of India, have been part of us in her voice ingrained in every Indian. She had sung nearly 30,000 songs, which includes many patriotic songs which resonates all along the border regions, uniting the citizens. People of Machhal are very ardent fans of Lata ji. They were deeply saddened by the news of her demise, and her melodious voice will live on, inspiring through generations here. To pay tribute to their idol, the people congregated at the Machhal Smriti Sthal. In her remembrance, the local girls sang "A Mere Watan Ke Logon," one of the best patriotic song by Lata ji. The villagers prayed to the Almighty to grant the departed soul eternal peace. Machhal will always remember Lata Mangeshkar ji through her eternal song.
KLM International School, Defence Road, Mamoon, Pathankot. Situated at the foothills of Shivalik, the school is pioneer of quality education and academic excellence. The school has fully functional and well-equipped smart classes, music rooms, dance room, art gallery, hockey club and sports club.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Aliza Fatima Khan. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. My district name is Poonch Tehsil, Mender. My village is Keri Gruta. So I choose KLM International School because first thing is discipline. We all know that discipline is most important thing in everyone's life. So we KLMites always follow discipline. Second thing is principal ma'am in our staff members. My principal ma'am is treat me like a daughter. My staff members is very intelligent, so I feel family here every time.
We also have well-equipped laboratories like computer lab, physics labs, maths lab, home science lab. Fully well-furnished and air-conditioned rooms are available separately for boys and girls. The school also offers you mess faculty where delicious and nutritious food is served.
एक माँ होने के नाते अगर मुझे अपना बच्चा एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में भेजना होगा तो सबसे पहली बात जो मैं जानना चाहूँगी उस बोर्डिंग स्कूल के बारे में वो ये होगा नो फेक प्रॉमिस। सो एक माँ होने के नाते जो मुझे 3 चीज़ें चाहिए वो है डिसिप्लिन, स्टडीज़ एंड स्पोर्ट्स। कि एक बार अपने बच्चों को एक बेहतर भविष्य के लिए KLM इंटरनेशनल की तरफ भेजिए, खुद आके देखिए कि बोर्डिंग की स्टडीज़ आपके बच्चों के लिए क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो इंशाल्लाह आपके बच्चे का भविष्य बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुरक्षित रहेगा और इसके लिए आपको एक बार स्कूल में विजिट करना बनता ही है।
For admissions from nursery to +2 all streams, kindly contact 92165 04779 and 92165 05779.